All right, here we go. Good luck, everybody. Thank you again for joining this random Pokemon break because we missed Pokemon Day a few days ago. Most random Pokemon break. Promos will be random off to everybody. So here we go. Let's see how many times we're going to hit the randomizer here. All right. Roll the dice. Bam! 5 times. 5 times on the randomizer. Names first, and then the energy type. If we happen to get a random energy type that's not on here, we'll random off those packs also. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Dodger 83 on top, Solier at the bottom. Energy type. Sorry, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Lightning on the top, water at the bottom. Sort alphabetically. Make it bigger so you guys can see. All right. Dark, Dodger 83. Fighting, Veilman, Fire, Status, Grass, R90. Lightning, Dodger 83. Metal, Psychic, and Water. Solely Air. Okay. Like I said, we're going to do the random boxes first, which is the Zekrom and the Arceus VStar, and then we'll do the sets. We'll do Paldean Fates, which is over here on the right, and then 151 at the end. Let's get this stuff out of here. Let's do the Arceus box. Luck, everyone. There's a playmat in here. And you'll get that. Sorry. Here's the Arceus metal card. V-Star, somebody will get that. And the other Arceus V metal card. So somebody will get that one also. What's up, Matt? I don't think anybody wants this stuff. It's the V-Star, metal coin, and metal dice. Let's go. Oh, Evolving Skies, yes. Origin, Astro Billion Stars, Mox Origin, Astro Billion Stars, and Vivid Voltage. Oh, we only got one Vivid Voltage. Nice. All right. Beautiful. So we got 4 Feral Seed, Crocodile, Fire, Stannis. All right, which one will we do next? Astro Radiant. Sue and Arcanine, Registeel going to water, solely air. Fire. Stannis, what we got? Sue and Lilligats. Hisuian Typhlosion B. All right. Combi and Sizu. Only two. Psychic. Solier. Hisuian Basculin. So in Arcanine, we got Metal. Two. Let's go bring this started. Let's go back and forth. Fresh water set, Professor's Research, Lightning, Dodger 83. Radiant Steelix. That is going to Fire. Stan S with Fire. Stan S is on fire. Cleansing Gloves, Heatran, Fighting. Pikachu. And Comfy with Water. Water solely air. Pikachu Gallery. Magmortar, Wormadam, Fighting. Yep, Evolving Skies. That's why I picked this stuff. Little variants of everything. Roselia, Honchkrow, Fire. That's the problem. Not a lot of hits, though. Haxorus, Staraptor, Fire. Oh, got one here. There it is. 1, 2, 3. Roserade, Gallery, and Drapion VStar going to Fighting. Veilman. Goes the big boys now. These boxes have finally hit over $500. Green Ball, Pincer, Dark, Dodger 3. Evil, Gigalath, Lightning. So here's the promo card that somebody will get. This is the jumbo card. Nobody wants that. All right, Fusion Strike. Come on, Gengar. Brilliant Stars. We got 2 Evolving Skies again. 2 Chilling Rain. This time 3 Vivid Voltage. All right, let's do Vivid Voltage. Come on, Chunkachu. Oh, say they did amazing rares here. There it is. Yeah. Raikou, amazing rare. Barraskewda, fighting. Beelman. Charmander. Pokemon Center Lady. Going to Grass, R90. It's the waifu. Execute, Crocodile. That is dark. There's only one brilliant. Let's do this. Grimer, Electivire, Lightning. Right. The children. Cast form, Scolipede, fighting. Fusion Strike. Come on, Gengar. Yep. Ventup, Kangaskhan, Metal. Nope. Old Cemetery, Scolipede, Fire. Fusion Strike. Trevenant and Pikachu V going to Psychic. Solier. Two packs of Evolving Skies left. Come on. Here's something here. Whoa. Whoa. All right, here we go. Love Disc. Yeah. Vaporeon V going to Lightning. Dodger 83. Hey, got full art. Woo. Oh, yes. That's what I like to see. But don't see anything. Gossifleur, Stoutland going to fighting. Let's do Paldean Fates next. And we'll save the 151 for the end. Hey, I should set up more Pokemon breaks, huh? Set up another one for the weekends. I will do that. Ooh. Oh, the last part is the energy. Paldean Clodsire EX Shiny. Maroon. Raichu going to Metal Energy. Solier. Pineco, Clavopus, we got Judge for water. Not a waifu. Water is solely air. Varoom, Iono, Professor's Research, Psychic. That's expensive. It just chose random product that it has sitting on the counter. Shiny Raichu. Routes. Annihilate. Fighting. Veilman. Manfu. Charcadet, Haunter, Great Tusks EX, Fire, Stan S. This one? Let's see. See what we can do. Shiny Sneasel, Artisan, Armorage, Metal, Solier. Game over. Wow. Shiny Cleffa, Camerupt, Annihilate, Water. Dark is the one with the least stack. Solier. Gotta get you something here, Robert. Come on. Oh, fire. Charmander, Ghastly, Revavroom, Grass. 2-4, 2-4, 2-4, 2-4. Execute, Nest Ball, Goldango, Psychic. Numel, Tentamouse, Cyclizer, Fighting. Kirlia, Chinchu, Paldean Students, Grass, R9T. More waifus and manfus for R9T. Cheester, yeah. New EX. Shiny. Maractus. Cerulege. Psychic. Solier. Very nice Mew EX there. Congratulations. Guys, back to you. So the last time, George, the Lakers had this kind of a comeback win. Another. Jumpluff. Shiny Jumpluff. Mankey. Mimikyu. Grass. R19. Moonlit Hill, Pikachu, Reviver and Grass. Atticus, Varoom, Reviver, Metal. Friggibacks, Don Fan, Heat Run fighting. Little, Lapras, Professor's Research, Water. Paldean Student, Annihilate. Esparta, EX, going to Dark. Charcadet, Haunter, Raichu, Psychic. Oh. Redlord shiny. Clive, Boston, Fire, Stan S. More shinies. At 18 first half points. 2 to go on the third. Boston, Swoobat, Houndstone, Dark. Flips back up 14. A few minutes later. Charmeleon, Rababroom, Iron Treads, EX, Psychic. That's 2 packs. Oh, come on. Glamora, EX, Shiny, Execute, Annihilate, Lightning, Dodger 83. James, he looked down. That's the tell. Is it? No, the internet does. Last pack of Paldean Fates. Grivard, Noibat, Surledge, and Water. 151 time. I think everybody's going to walk out with something promo-ish, I think. So here you have 3 cards and a mat. We had the 3 cards and the mat in the last one also. So the last boxes. Everybody will get a promo card. Here's 3 promos. You got the Mew promo, Mew EX. You got the other Mew EX, the metal card, if I could get it out of here. Can't get it out of here. I think nobody's getting this thing in this. Scratch up the card. All right, the Mew EX metal card, and then somebody will get the Mewtwo promo card also. So that's 3 cards, and then we also have the mat, the Mew EX mat. I haven't opened one of these since release day. All right, good luck, everyone. Hope somebody gets the charge on it here. Bulbasaur, Paras, Electrode, Grass Energy. That is R19. It's got 1. I see 1 swirl in that energy. Goldie, Leftovers, Gengar, Metal. Abra, Psyduck, S-I-R, or yeah. Marowak, Fighting Energy, Veilman with the Psyduck. Oh, wow. Parasect, Aerodactyl, Starmie, Dark Energy. There's 3 swirls on this one. There's a swirl right there, swirl right there, swirl right there. Zubat, Poliwag, Dragonite, Grass. Staryu, Omanyte, Jolteon, Metal. Davies Hill, Victory Bill, Jolteon, Fire Energy. There's half a swirl here. Venema, Articuno, Weezing, Lightning. Vulpix, or Turtle, Charizard EX. Dark Energy. It's a Charizard EX. Dodger 83. Not the Charizard we're looking for, but yeah, still a Charizard. Squirtle, Ekans, Kabutops, Metal. Pidgey, Bellsprout, Omastar, Psychic. Come on. Something in here. Onyx, Starmie, Blastoise EX going to Grass R19. A big hit out of this box. Kingler, Dratini, Gengar, Grass. Slowbro, another Psyduck, Nidoking, Lightning Energy, Dodger 83. We'll get a gold Ponyta Basic Energy Psychic. It doesn't go to the Psychic because the last one is the Energy card. Lightning. That's the Psychic Energy. Gold. Last pack of 151. Dugong, Poliwag, Alakazam EX, full art. 2, Dark Energy. Dodger, 83.
Beautiful. Little two-hand chest pass. Daniel Gafford, former Wizard and great. Incredible pass. Doncic has 25, 14, 4, 9 rebounds through 3 quarters. 4 minutes to go. Doncic. 2 points and 1 rebound away from the goal.
Just because you guys are awesome. Let's throw in 11 more packs. Sturicune. Ooh, drops in the ocean. Mr. Mike, what the hell is all this? I've never seen all this. Oh, EX Scorching. What is all this?
First game of the evening on ESPN. The Pelicans and the Pacers. Position in the East. Pacers. Tyrese Halliburton. And then it's off glass. This is a fun team to watch. They shoot 62% in the first. Pacers have shot 60% in the quarter for the 53rd time this season. Najee Marshall, Zion. You know, he can climb the ladder. That had to be the thing where you just give them the eyes, right? You gotta go, I'm gonna go. Williamson at 23, came down 7. In the fourth, Toppin gets the block of CJ McCollum. And nobody's out there. Oh, he started to do a thing. You could see where to go through the legs.
I opened one of these boxes. I didn't see these.
Thin man. Brandon Ingram. He hits the 3. He had 30 and 6. 3-point game. Halliburton. Step back. That released it. It's uniquely his. Still a 6-point game. Pascal Siakam on the cut. Halliburton finds him. Such a fun player to watch. The other end, McCollum can't quite get it. Let's run. And who's out there? That's Siakam to finish it off.
Holy shit. This comes out of the classic collection. This is not part of this set. This is part of, you know, that big box that's like $350, $400 or whatever, where you can open it and you get all the OG cards. That's where this comes from. Right here. That's this one right here. No, not every box has this. But this was an extra hit in here on the promo cards. That's an extra hit. And then you go drops in the ocean. Yeah, same thing. Classic collection. Trading card game classic. This comes out of that $300 box. Yeah, this one. This one. This one. Holy smokes. Okay. You guys got yourself some extra cards here then. And then Wes just texted me back. He said, I swear it was just 3. Maybe you get a bonus per year. I remember Jerry saying something about Blastoise, so maybe there's occasional bonuses. Wow. All right. There you go. Extra cards to give away there.
The way he plays, I think he wants to play more this way as a facilitator, more of a ball handler, and less of that raw dominance. Okay. And so for me, I think
again, nobody wants this big guy and everything. All right. This has 11 packs. Paradox Rift, Obsidian Flames, Scarlet and Violet, Scarlet and Violet. So we only have 3 sets in here. We'll do Obsidian Flames at the list. So The Scarlet and Violet first. Paradox Rip. And Obsidian Flames at the end. You got Miriam, Pawniard, Professor's Research, Fighting. All right, there you go.
And you can see he squared off. The defender does not get back and cut him off and force him back to his right.
Flappy, Espatra, Arboliva, Dark. Well, that's great. What's the trainer doing on this one? Blissey. Ah, Miriam! What? Damn! There you go. You got Toxicroak EX, and it's going to Sidekick. Solely Air 2K3 with the Miriam. Oops. Let's add the other base cards to this. Free packs for the win. That was dope. That was cool. Hirachi. Ferrothorn. Oregon Z and Grass. R90. Ferrothorn. Yamask, Crustle, Mousehold EX, going to Fire, Stand S.
I think now he's sort of this blended player of those moments on a given
Think. Zubat. Iron Valiant EX going to Dark. Sick. Dark is Dodger 83. No 2024 wrestling, no Leaf Metal, no. Leaf Metal doesn't come out till next week, right?
That is still a dangerous team in your estimation.
Spinda, Blitzel, Iron Moth, Metal. All right, Obsidian Flames. Come on, Charizard.
Where are we seeing maybe a different level to his game?
Bear Trick, Town Store, Toxtricity, Water. And sorry, this is going to be no hit recap for this because they're all buried underneath your guys' pack. So, Redbard, Froakie, Scovillian, Psychic. Like like tomorrow? Yeah, I don't have any. Carbonable, Togedemaru, Thunderous, Lightning. And the last pack of this entire break. Bellybolt, Cleffa, nice Cleffa. Bam! Dragon Knight EX going to Metal. Solely Air 2K3. Well, that was a nice surprise on the last box. Let's see. What times we're going to hit the randomizer? 9 times on the randomizer. All right. Oh. Where's that Belly Bolt card? Let's see what we're going to do with the randoms. Say we give away the big stuff first. So the 2 mats. We'll do the Mewtwo, the Mew EX, the Mew EX Metal, which I didn't put in a penny sleeve. It has Pikachu, Zekrom, Arceus V, and Arceus VStar. That should be 8. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, so we're going 9 times on the randomizer. Yeah, dude. You see the prices of it now? Insane. insane. All right. We'll leave you guys here the way it is. We'll just random off the items. So we got the Mew EX Metal, Mew EX, Mewtwo, 151, Arceus VStar, Arceus V 151, Matt, Arceus Matt. Thank you, Brian. All right, 9 times on this. I'm just gonna leave it the way it is on the screen for the names. So just attach it right next to it. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, here's what everybody gets. Oh, what the hell happened? What did I not put in? Ah, the Pikachu. All right, sorry. Do over. Sorry, my bad. Pikachu and Zekrom. All right, there we go again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, so the 151 mag goes to Dodger 83, Mew EX Metal, Veilman, Statness with the Arceus mat, R90, Arceus VStar, Dodger 83, Pikachu and Zekrom. Solier gets the Arceus V, the Mewtwo 151, and the Mew EX. All right, then we have the other cards left over. Cards, where they go? All right. All right, so we have Lugia EX. Hope. Oh. EX. Suicune. EX. Mr. Mime. Drops. So drops. That says drops. Scorching. And Sun Seed. Along with 1X. All right. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Mr. Mime on the top. Doesn't say Mr. Mime, but it says Mr. Mine. All right. So Robert gets the Mr. Mime. Fix that. Ho-Oh EX, Status, Sunseed, R90, Lugia EX, Dodger 83, Suicune drops, and Scorching go to Solier 1K3. Thank you again, everybody. Appreciate it as always. That was pretty fun.